How is that? How is that? That was great. That was great. Why me? Why me? Because you are skilled. Because you are skilled. Can't you speak English? Today's class will help you to learn English faster. Today I will teach you 100 daily use question and answer sentences. You must know these to speak English. Otherwise you cannot speak English because these questions and answers are used every day in spoken English. Must learn these questions and answers. Then you will be able to speak English fluently. What now? What now? Now we have to eat. Now we have to eat. Why not? Why not? Because it's complicated. Because it's complicated. Who did it? Who did it? Tom did it. Tom did it. Who is next? Who is next? Then John. Then John. Whose is this? Whose is this? It's Tom's. It's Tom's. Why him? Why him? Because he knows it well. Because he knows it well. What's this? What's this? This is gold. This is gold. For what? For what? Because the shop is closed. Because the shop is closed. When to come? When to come? Please come tomorrow. Please come tomorrow. Why you? Why you? Because I know. Because I know. Why to use? Why to use? Because it's good. Because it's good. Why us? Why us? Because you are relatives. Because you are relatives. Why to study? Why to study? To get a good job. To get a good job. Why to go? Why to go? There is a lot of work. There is a lot of work. How often? How often? Twice a year. Twice a year. Then what? Then what? Then you have to go. Then you have to go. Who ate? Who ate? He ate. He ate. Who is it? Who is it? My friend. My friend. Who came? Who came? Tom came. Tom came. Who am I? Who am I? You are a doctor. You are a doctor. Who is he? Who is he? He is an actor. He is an actor. Who are they? Who are they? They are my friends. They are my friends. So what? So what? It is nothing. It is nothing. Why so? Why so? Because it is the rule. Because it is the rule. What to study? What to study? Now you have to study English. Now you have to study English. How far? How far? Far away. Far away. Then when? Then when? Then next month. Then next month. How old? How old? 10 years. 10 years. Why now? Why now? Because there is a hurry. Because there is a hurry. What's up? What's up? The news is good. The news is good. What else? What else? Nothing else. Nothing else. What happened? What happened? Nothing happened. Nothing happened. What about? What about? About job. About job. How annoying. How annoying. It's really annoying. It's really annoying. What if? What if? Nothing. Nothing. How many? How many? About 10. About 10. Why them? Why them? Because they know. Because they know. How long? How long? Till night. Till night. What's that? What's that? That's my key. That's my key. Who is that? Who is that? He is my colleague. He is my colleague. How to go? How to go? We will go by train. We will go by train. What's that? What's that? That's my box. That's my box. From when? From when? From tomorrow. From tomorrow. Who knows? Who knows? He knows. He knows. Who now? Who now? Now he. Now he. How much? How much? 1 is 10 rupees. 1 is 10 rupees. Anything else? Anything else? No, nothing else. No, nothing else. Who cares? Who cares? Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Who is laughing? Who is laughing? Tom is laughing. Tom is laughing.
Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So, if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.